On a cold, overcast day, like today here in the garden route, going out in your boat is not really an option. So one of the things that you can really come and do is visit the Birds of Eden. This area that consists of about 12 hectares is packed full of colorful birds, interesting things that you can come and see, and you can even get a guided tour. Somebody can take you around and explain all the names and all the different birds that they can find inside here. A really, really exciting choice to make on a cold and miserable day like today. Walkways that are also wheelchair accessible crisscross the whole area to make sure that you have a safe and informative visit. As you make your way around, you might be visited by birds and other wildlife like blue duiker and marmoset monkeys. Birds of Eden used a lot of alien invaded tree species to build their infrastructure, including this bridge, which spans almost 50 meters. Rehabilitation of wild and domestic birds is a daily occurrence for the skilled staff of Birds of Eden. A well-appointed restaurant is situated inside the netted area to cater for the hungry and thirsty, and to give an opportunity to simply sit and watch the water birds in the pond.